So good day everyone. So now I'm gonna solve in number 8, solving conversion of units. So I'm gonna solve the problem and explain to you guys on how did I solve the problem. Okay, so the first step is we need to convert kilometer to meter. So we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So we divide this to 3000, or the speed of light, which is 3.0 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So by dividing 3.0 times 10 to the power of 8 to 1000 meter, that is scientific, which is 10 to the power of 3. Why? Because we moved the decimal place into 3. So that will become 3.0 times 10 to the power of 5 meter per second. Okay, so next is, we know that in 1 hour we have 60 minutes and in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So that would become 60 times 60, 0, 0, 0, and 30. So it would become 3600 over 1 hour. Now we times this to the answer of our meter per second, which is 3.0 times 10 to the power of 5 meter per second. We multiply the 3600 over 1 hour. So that would become like 3.0 times 10 to the power of 5 times 3600 meter per hour. Okay, then the third step is to multiply the numerical values and adjust the exponent for scientific notation. So that's like 3.0 times 3600, and that would become 10,800. So the speed is 10,800 times 10 to the power of 5. So we get the 10 exponent because we adjust it to multiply 3600. So this is kilometer per hour. So to express this in scientific notation, move the decimal point in 1800 to the left until there is only one non-zero digit before the decimal point, which is 1.08. The decimal point is moved 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the left, so we multiply by 10 to the power of 4. So that would 10,800 times 10 to the power of 5 equals to 1.08 times 10 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of 5. So the answer for this is 1.08 times 10 to the power of 9 kilometer per hour. So you might be wondering why the exponent is 9. So early in our junior high days in math, we teach that exponent rule is a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So meaning a to the power of m, just gonna go and add it to the a to the power of n. So that's why 10 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of 5, you need to do is just add them to get the exponent 9.